Let's make this Ghana sugar bread recipe. This bread turned out so soft and delicious as well. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. I will first start by activating my yeast. In a warm water, I added 1 tablespoon of yeast and also added 2 tablespoons of sugar. So I'll mix everything together. And if today is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. You're welcome to my channel. We make food recipes here. I'll set this aside. Then in an empty bowl, I will go in with my dry ingredients. So I went in with some flour. I'm using the hard one. I also added some sugar. I will then go in with some milk powder, nut milk, and then I will also add salt. So I'm going to leave the quantity of the ingredients in the description box below. I'll then go ahead to mix until everything is well combined. After 5 minutes, the yeast has proof, so I then went ahead to add it to my dry ingredients and then also added vanilla essence. You can use any flavor of your choice. So I'm going to mix this gradually until the dough is formed. And I just want to use this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for coming back to watch my videos. I'm truly grateful. God bless you. To my new families too, you guys are so amazing. You can watch me on Facebook and also watch my short videos on YouTube Short, Instagram, and TikTok. The name is Ketipus. And thank you so much if you are still watching up to this time. Please don't forget to give this video a like and also share this video to reach more people. So guys, please stay tuned.